I'm creating a value. So the next one, without parenthesis, I'm creating a value. This is possible. This is what, Sarji? Possible. Yeah, this is absolutely possible. The next example. I hope I no need to run this one. We already done this. Good, seems to be tuple. So the last week what I covered, almost that 7 points I have covered with example. Maybe that examples I didn't, so read along with the material. Today we are doing that actual. So seems to be we are creating a tuple with heterogeneous data. Boss, what data? There are some integer values would have, string values would have respectively. Yeah, Daniel. By using tuple function also we can create a tuple. By using what function? Tuple function. Let me tell you, there is one important interview question. That interview question will be interview question. Like this they will ask actually. We have mutable data. We have what, Sarji? Mutable data actually. How to convert mutable to chaptara immutable actually. This is the interview question. Indirectly what is asking, so I have a list. I have what, Sarji? List means mutable data. Chappan sir, mutable data. What is asking, how to convert into tuple. I mean to say how to convert into what exactly? Immutable. That's what he is trying to asking. I have a mutable data. When I say mutable, I'm sorry, I have a list. How to convert into tuple? How to convert into? Very simple. Then there is one predefined function. You need to use that function. Function name is a tuple. What is the function, sir? Tuple. It's a very simple. Let us just have to add the code here actually. Code for above question actually. Yeah, good. Let me just have to explain. I ensure that A equals to 10, 20, 30, 40. I would like to say list. Also I can say mutable data. What data, sir? Mutable data. Yeah, list having mutable nature. What nature? Can I convert into tuple? Possible. Then B equals to a tuple of A. Tuple of what exactly? A. Good. Everybody look at my screen. Tuple is a predefined function here. Tuple is what, Sarji? Predefined function. Function calling, we are assigning into variable written. Function calling, we are assigning into variable written. Daniel, when you covered actually. In function spot number 1, I covered actually. If a function having written, then that function calling we need to assign into variable. Fine then. And if a function having parameter, we need to pass the value. Maybe the tuple backend it was created with one parameter as a function. What function, madam? Yeah, good. Successfully have created a tuple and we have created a list. Conclusion of the story. Here we are not creating tuple with parenthesis. Here we are creating a tuple with tuple function. We are creating a tuple with, yeah, good. We are creating a tuple with tuple function. That's what you need to be. Oh, sorry. I'm sorry. Yeah. Please don't scold me. Let's run this. Exactly. Mutable data we converted into immutable data. List we converted into tuple. How simple it is, Sajji? Very simple. Okay. I can move on. Move to the next. Accessing elements of tuple. Same story. You can access by using indexing, by using slicing, by using for loop. Same thing like a list data structure. Are you talking about the tuple actually? Yeah, Daniel. First learn how to create. I hope you got a clear picture. The next one, how to access values. How to access values in tuple. Yeah, the indexing is possible, the slicing is possible, for loop is possible. But very rare, Sarji. But anyway, let me cover one example for your better understanding. Okay. So A equals to, so tuple I am creating 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Now, so print of, let me just try to print A. Total tuple we are printing. I would like to access the first value 0. Yeah, good. We are good to go. Can I close this roll? Yeah. Yes. Now let us run the code. We are accessing values by using index. Can I apply slicing? Yes, you can apply such A of starting index you can provide, end index you can provide. Starting index let us provide 0. Okay, let us provide as a 0. And 0, 1, 2, 3. Let us provide 3. Let us provide what, Sarji? 3. Now indirectly what we are doing, we are trying to fetching the value from 0 to 3. But there is one surprise here. What is that surprise, So if you are providing the n index, back end there is a small little calculation. N index minus 1 means 2. 3 minus 1 means what, Sarji? 2. 2 means 0, 1, 2. Till 10, 20, 30 only we can access. We can access actually. Exactly. That's what you can understand. మీకు అర్థమైందా సార్? Good. Let's take this one. So this is exactly indexing and slicing. Let me show you one small example today. Good. Values equals to tuple 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. Yeah, boss. Then let us apply for value in values. Chapter sir, for value in values, let us print value. Let us print value. We are getting all values. We are getting. But Daniel, you do one thing. Try to access the whole tuple, but from the tuple, I wanted to print only 3 values. From the tuple, I wanted to print only 3 values one by one. Just do one thing, Sarji. 0, 3. Exactly. This is still possible.